Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2015 GMC Sierra SLT equipped with the Max Tow package. On the front end of the vehicle we have LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 20-inch aluminum wheels and heated power folding tow mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we'll have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and tonneau cover. This Sierra has a towing capacity up to 10,900 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver seat, a Bose audio sound system, as well as our automatic headlight controls, as well as automatic four-wheel drive controls. This Sierra is also equipped with a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats, as well as all-weather floor mats, a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Also equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls, and on the vehicle's key fob we have our remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a 60-40 split folding rear bench seat.